Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another non-phone work from home job lead for you. Today's job lead is from Devry University. Now, I have featured a chat position like this on my channel before from Devry. It was back in March, but they are hiring again for a virtual or remote online chat advisor. So this is completely non-phone, doing the online chat box. Now, one thing to quickly note about this position, it does not list the actual pay. That'll have to be discussed at the time of the interview, but the last chat position that they had posted back in March paid around $19 an hour, so that is something you can gauge this by. And of course, if you're interested in putting that application in, the link to this page that I'm sharing is in the YouTube description box below this video. But Devry is looking for somebody to service their online chat generated requests from prospective students and also current students and handle any general chat questions regarding admissions, student services, student finance, academics, or registrar services that they have based on the information available in the university catalog. You'll route chats that require additional expertise to the appropriate resource promptly and efficiently. So you'll be answering those frontline admission questions, providing pertinent and responsive feedback while representing Devry's unique brand. You'll also generate and document qualified inquiries and reassign them to the appropriate recipients. So if it's something that needs to go to like the student finance department, you'll route that appropriately. Now, this is a full-time position. They are looking for somebody to work 40-hour schedules. Flexibility in work schedule is preferred if you can be a little bit flexible, but they've got two different shifts. You've got to work at least one weekend. So they have like a 12 p.m. to 8 p.m. Tuesday through Friday, with your weekend day being 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. on Saturday, or they have a 12 p.m. to 8 p.m. Monday through Thursday with Friday off and Saturday off, and then your weekend day is 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. on Sunday. So you have to be willing to work at least one weekend day, but they say they prefer a bachelor degree, but of course it is not required, so no college degree is required, just a high school diploma or GED. They do want somebody who has 1 to 2 years admissions, student services experience, or familiar with a college catalog, someone who can multitask with several chats at the same time, and someone who can communicate clearly and in a friendly manner. Now, again, they don't state pay. However, they do state they offer a benefit package that includes medical, dental, vision, 401k, and paid time off. All right, as always, if this job lead was not for you, that's absolutely okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.